Hi, I'm Dr. Sean Flanagan from OneAccord Physical Therapy and the Pelvic Docs. Today, I want to help you better understand how we process payments for your care, especially when it has to do with dealing with an insurance company. For cash pay patients without insurance, costs and payments are pretty straightforward and they're due at the time of service. However, insurance coverage can be confusing. It's important to understand that your insurance coverage is a contract between you and your insurance company, not between OneAccord and your insurance company. At OneAccord and the Pelvic Docs, we do not have a say in how much your patient responsibility is if you use your insurance for traditional care services. Your insurance coverage determines that amount. It's also important to note that it is illegal for OneAccord or any healthcare provider to waive a patient's responsibility. This violates federal anti-kickback laws. At OneAccord, we verify your benefit coverage before you start care with us. Then at every visit, we collect your estimated patient responsibility at the time of service. However, the details of your coverage are not always accurate in automated systems. Sometimes your responsibilities can be more or less than your initial estimated payments. These initial estimated payments are just that, estimates. When we receive an explanation of benefits or an EOB from your insurance company, your patient responsibility is then updated in our system. If you owe more than your estimated payments, that will be your responsibility to pay for that amount. If you overpay, that amount will go towards future services, or if you are done with care, they'll be refunded to you. Your payments are estimated conservatively, so more often than not, patients often owe a little bit more than what we collect. So don't be surprised if you are required to pay more by your insurance company. So what's an EOB? EOB stands for Explanation of Benefits. It's a statement from your insurance company that outlines what they will cover, what they won't cover, and how much is your responsibility. It's essential for you to review this document to understand your financial obligations and responsibilities. Regarding responsibility, let's talk about copays, coinsurance, and deductibles. These are terms you might encounter based on your insurance coverage. A copay is a fixed amount that you pay for a visit. For example, you may owe $15, $20, or even seen as high as $75 a copay per visit. This is collected at every visit. A coinsurance is a percentage you pay. This could be 10, 15, or even 40% of the services rendered at each visit. This is based on the care you received that day, so this amount can vary from visit to visit and is collected on every visit. Finally, a deductible is how much you pay before your insurance kicks in. So if you have a $500, $1,000, or even a $2,500 deductible, until you've paid that amount, your insurance company does not pay for your services. That deductible amount is 100% your responsibility. Often people have secondary insurance coverages, which may cover their copay, coinsurance, or deductible amounts. At OneAccord, we collect your estimated responsibility at every visit. However, it's not an exact science. Patients often owe more than what we've collected because those collections are based on conservative estimates. If this is the case, you're going to receive email and text reminders from us twice a month reminding you to pay your patient responsibility. This is the amount based on your EOBs that we've received from your insurance company, and it's what they say is owed for the services rendered. We ask that you pay that amount when notified to prevent an interruption of your care and to honor your patient's responsibility obligation for the care we've already rendered to you. If you are ever confused about your benefits or coverage, you should contact your insurance company and ask they explain your EOB to you, and you can always ask us for clarity. Additionally, it's essential to know your insurance coverage does not pay for specialty services. When you receive specialty services, insurance companies will not cover these, and they will not be addressed in your EOB. Moreover, please understand specialty service payments do not go towards your patient responsibility portion of your insurance obligations. Specialty services beyond traditional physical therapy is an agreement between you and OneAccord and the Pelvic Docs. They are provided based on what your expert feels is the best and fastest way for you to achieve your goals. At OneAccord, your health and recovery is our priority. We appreciate you understanding and cooperating and navigating the payment process system, which can be very confusing. But remember, your well-being is what matters most to us, and we look forward to seeing you soon.